it's Ilene here. Welcome back to my channel. Today it is week 3 of the Use Your Stamps Collab. So before I jump into this, I just want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So this is hosted by Tammy from My World in OKC. It's also hosted by Sandra, Crafty Mom 15, and Sherl Wilm. So for this week, I used this Julie Nutting stamp here, and I think this image of this girl is so cute. I love it. It's one of my favorite stamps here, and I colored her in. It reminds me of me here. I gave her a face. I made her look really cute. She has brown hair like me, and I decided to make her clothes be purple and green. Purple's my favorite color, green is my boyfriend's favorite color, and I always think they look very nice together. So this is my finished stamp, and this is my plain one. And I simply use my colored pencils to color her in. I might make it into a tag or a bookmark. I'm not quite sure. I gotta figure that out still. Alright guys, that's it for week 3 of Use Your Stamps Collab. And I hope you enjoyed what I did for this week. Please let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.